feel sorry for that dude who filled up. It's a good thing about bikes, man. So cheap to fill. $1.39. Oh, $1.62. That's why no one's here. Fucking hell. Oh well. Yeah, well, shit happens, eh? I always just earth myself out on the tank. I've actually had a few people ask me what, obviously hasn't fired up the pump for me, what fuel I use. I use 98. I use the highest possible octane rating for wherever I go. Depends on where it is. Sometimes you can only get like 95 or something, but I use the highest possible. How many litres does the R3 take? Depends on when I fill it up. It's a 14 litre tank, so at the moment it's down on the last bar. When it was flashing the other day, and now it's not. So I'm just like, yeah, I'm going to fill it up. That's 9 litres, so it's got about 5 in there. 5 litres in there. Pump number 12. I'm the only one here, so I should know. Another question I get asked is, why do I breathe like Darth Vader? I get asked this question, especially people who watch my raw footage. They're like, why do you breathe so heavy? It's honestly the gear you've got on, and your body actually gets quite hot, and I don't know, you just like pant when you're off the bike. It's really weird. Can't describe it. I got a car that's pulled up behind me, so I better get the heel out of here. Oh man, that feels so much better. The little R3, because it's a 14 litre tank, it's a light, very light bike anyway, right? So when it's actually low on fuel, I don't really like it when it's low on fuel, because it's just fucking too light. The front twitches and moves around and does all that sort of shit, and you get it into the corner, you start pushing it through the corner, and the front end feels really light. So I just like the bit of weight in it, keep that center of gravity down. But I'm all like twitchy because I've had a fair few coffees today, so it's just like, oh yeah, I'm a bit twitchy. So yeah, that's the few questions I get asked. The other one is fuel economy on the R3. But if I cycle through, I haven't reset the chip. It's averaging around about 3.6 litres per 100 at the moment. It does average from like 4.5 to around about 4.7 on average, so it's not too bad. It's really economical for the smaller CC, but you know, it does its job, does what it has to do, gets around. But they're the two questions I tend to get asked, especially about the R3. I get a lot of questions about the R3. A lot of new riders and stuff want to know about the R3. It is, I've done a review and stuff on it, and another thing people have said to me, are the 2015, 16 and 17 all the same bike? Yes and no. Right, over here in Australia we got ABS on the 2015 model, so we've pretty much had ABS the whole way along. Some American states didn't even get that. There's some countries that didn't even get ABS full stop. But we were lucky enough to actually get it. So for us, in all honesty, not much has changed across the three models. The only thing they did change is obviously the liveries. Like this is actually the 2016 model. But the 2017 is identical to this. There is no difference. You get the same tyres, same suspension, same everything. It's typical Yamaha. It's like Yamaha's R6s and their R1s. They hold on to the same design. They do like a mid-cycle refresh, and then they hold on to the same design for the next fucking 10 years. Because if it ain't broke, why fix it?